crown. She has my crown.
It's been 17 years. I need an heir to the throne. I need a son I can call my own who will take after me when I'm gone.
Your Highness!
Come on down! What is this?
This is how you plan to call off the relationship we've built for years?
If you don't leave here, I'm going to call the king and tell him that you're here to rape me. What's that? You must taste. Veronica! I'm not doing. Just taste this soup.
I shall always fight for my right. Solly, solly, solly. Solidarity forever. Solidarity forever.
What's the meaning of this nonsense? How could you introduce me to her as your cleaner? I am carrying your child, for goodness sake. Accord me a little respect.
Nana, bring your voice down.
I am raising my voice because I am angry. I came here with favor and I deserve to be respected.
How about the girl, the assistant? Is she not helping you in the kitchen?
Assistant? She's not my assistant too. She's the assistant in the other room.
What?
Yes.
Oh, calm down first, I'm here.
What's that?
Don't worry, you'll be fine. You'll be fine.
What did you do?
Nana!
What did you do?
Your Highness! Your Highness!
My eyes are turning me. I'm seeing my grandmother and my grandfather. All my relatives that have died. I'm communicating with them.
Do you have a boyfriend?
Your Highness, what do I need a boyfriend for? I don't even have time for boyfriends.
Veronica said capital of Morocco is Abidjan. Capital of America, United States. Hey!
Are you Elena? Elena's. Eleni. Elenli. Elenfu. Eleni. Even the queen cannot tell me to go on my knees.
The game just got started.
And we shall see who loses.
You know where you are?
This is Nollywood Pictures TV.